It's. How was it learning under him? Was he a strict teacher? Or,
No. Just like KVM. Very easy, very jovial. And he writes himself for us Sarigamalu and everything. He gives
Okay.
sing. I used to say, somebody has come. Hi, Anna.
She says hi. That was a
Very
surprise
easy.
for all my followers also
Yes,
on
yes.
Instagram. And yeah, Balamurali Krishna Garu, did he teach you Kirtanas or did he start from the basics
No.
of?
I asked him from the basics.
Okay.
We came
How-
up to some Geetams.
Okay.
Then he was so busy. He was also traveling a lot, USA and abroad, everywhere. I used to go by 4:30 in the morning. So that time, by auto, whatever it is, I wake up
4:30 in the
Dharmaraju.
morning you used to go for classes.
Even Kamal sir used to come there. Then
He was also learning with
he was also learning.
Balamurali Garu. Wow. So you guys were students with Balamurali Krishna Garu.
Definitely.
Were you a better singer than Kamal Haasan? Come on, tell me.
Definitely.
Of course. For starting for basics. So when you started off around 15, in I think you were 1977, you started off. When you started off with Ilayaraja Garu, another singer had started her career right then, Jhansi.
No, she was my senior, actually.
She was senior.
Jhansi was senior to me. So she
probably
sang
like
in
a few years, maybe a year or so, maybe.
yeah, 1 year, a year.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. And you had a lot of combinations with her. Or rather, let me say, you both sang with Ilayaraja a lot at that time.
Not lot. In fact, we sang only one song.
That is with the
Ayiram
one with
Malargale.
Ayiram Malargale. Right?
Vasu sir,
Ayiram.
Vasu sir.
Vasu uncle, you and Jhansi,
You and
three of
Jhansi.
you. But
That was my
kind
third
of,
song.
Wow. That Niram Marada Pukal, I think, right?
Yes.
Niram Marada Pukal, Vijayan. And I somehow felt that, your careers were almost parallel. Yours and Jhansi's were almost literally parallel to each other. Did you have a relationship with Jhansi at all?
Till now.
Meet her?
Yeah.
Oh, you're still in touch?
We did a show at Salem, actually. Only Jhansi songs and my songs.
Lovely.
Went on very well, Charan. Lovely.
Amazing songs would have come out, no? All Ilayaraja says.
Beautiful songs.
Okay. So there are people asking me to comment to their comments. I need to answer or something. Folks, just understand that, I am trying to get as much information about Selatta to you all. So if there is anything that I'm missing out, you just repeat the question a couple of times. So I will ask her your question. You know that Instagram has only 1 hour window. I will come to all the songs. There are requests for songs, Selatta. Do you want to start off with the songs now? It will just go.
Your wish, Nana. I am comfortable. Your wish.
Then let's start off with Ve Vela Gopemala.
Okay. Somebody asked that?
Yes. Let me ask the Sneha Shri.
Telugu?
987. Ve Vela Gopemala and Telugu. Yes.
Okay. I'll sing definitely.
Teju says, hi Amma, love you so much.
Hi Teju. Thank you so much.
Okay, you go ahead. I'll look for the...
Okay. Vela Gopemmala Muva Gopalude Ma Muddu Govindude Muva Gopalude Ma Muddu Govindude ఆహా అన్నుల మిన్నల కన్నుల వెన్నెల వేణువులు దాడే మది వెన్నెలు దోచాడే వేల గోపెమ్మల మువ్వా గోపాలుడే మా ముత్తు గోవిందుడే. I'll sing only Pallavis, then we can.
Yeah, that is fine. We can cover more songs.
More songs.
Yeah. Let's do Samakori.
Okay, lovely. Samakori. ஏன் கோதம்மா சாமக்கோழி ஏ கோதம்மா ஆசையுள்ள நேரம் ஊருக்கெல்லாம் காவல் பக்கத்தில் வந்து சொல்லவா வெக்கத்தை விட்டு சாமக்கோழி ஏன் கூதம்மா.
Okay. Before we go to the next one, the first time you went to Guntur with Nana,
Mm.
were you nervous on stage with the dad being there? You said dad was
No.
nervous.
Dad was nervous, definitely was nervous. And I didn't even know how to plait my hair and everything like that. So I asked Appa, I don't know anything about my hair, do something. he just
So
took
he
a
braided your
kerchief.
hair.
He braided. He just, not even braided, he just put a kerchief, not, that's all. So he was so nervous, and he gave me the list of songs. So I know I'm almost all the songs, because I used to sing for a lot of local stage
Orchestras.
shows.
So you need to practice all of these songs. Most of the songs that came out at that time,
very
right?
well.
But I think you used to concentrate mostly on Susila Garu's songs.
Because
Is that right?
I love her. I love her voice. Appa used to tell me, Nana used to tell me, don't imitate her. You
Imitate.
sing your own, imitate her. Sing, you let us listen to your own voice. Why? Actually, what happened, in Telugu I am singing, her influence was there. But in Tamil I am singing, there is no influence.
I think you were not listening to too much of Susila Garu's
Tamil
songs at that time.
Tamil songs. So that time.
Okay. Now, your favorite of Susila Garu's?
My favorite?
I know there is so many, but it's just
so many.
Pops out. Something that immediately
just now
pops out.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
நாளை இந்த வேளை பார்த்து ஓடிவானிலா, இன்று எந்தன் தலைவன் இல்லை சென்று வானிலா, தென்றலே என் தனிமை கண்டு நின்று போய்விடு, தென்றலே என் தனிமை கண்டு நின்று போய்விடு. Lot of songs. Now I remember this Pallavi. சொன்ன நினைத்த வார்த்தைகள் சொல்லாமல் போவதே, சொல்ல வந்த நேரத்தில் பொல்லாத நாணம் ஏன், மன்னன் நடைந்த பாதையில் என் கால்கள் போவதே, மன்னன் நடைந்த பாதையில் என் கால்கள் போவதே, பெண்மையே உன் தனிமை கண்டு நாணம் கொண்டதே, நாணம் கொண்டதே.
What a song, What was your favorite to sing on stage, Susila Garu's Telugu song in those days when you were on stage?
It was a Telugu movie, Tula Bharam called Radhaku Nivera Pranam. That was, I used to sing everywhere,
I must tell all of you people that was our national anthem in our house. So all of these aunts would be around, and when we had events and functions at home, and everybody was together and everything, and we had a singing session, they would wait to sing this song. Everybody has this is one of those songs, and there was another one also. You sing this, I will remember the other one.
Okay.
Go ahead.
రాధకు నీవేర ప్రాణం, ఈ రాధకు నీవేర ప్రాణం, రాధా హృదయం మాధవ నిలయం, రాధా హృదయం మాధవ నిలయం, ప్రేమకు దేవాలయం, ఈ రాధకు నీవేర ప్రాణం. This one. What is the other one? Which one?
That's నావకు చెప్పండి అని.
That was, I'll tell you. It was ముత్యాల ముగ్గు. ముత్యాల ముగ్గు song. నిదురించే తోటలోకి పాట ఒకటి వచ్చింది, కన్నుల్లో నీరు తుడిచి కమ్మని కల ఇచ్చింది. దిస్ వన్.
విఫలమైన నా
విఫల నా
కోర్కెలో.
కోర్కెలో
You know, I don't
వేలాడే.
remember listening to the original version, okay?
Especially Parutata. She used to sing
She's
this
full of
song.
pathos and drama.
Yes.
It was, I remember this song lyrically also because of you people. You're always singing
Yes.
this song.
You still remember that విఫలమైన నా కోర్కెలు.
That విఫలమైన నాకు, and that లిరిక్ సెపరేషన్ ఏంటో తెలీదు, దానికి అర్థం ఏమిటో తెలీదు. ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు
తెలీదు.
మేము విన్నట్టుగా పాడటమే.
పాడే, దట్స్ ఆల్.
అవును. లతా మంగేష్కర్ or ఆశా భోంస్లే?
It's difficult, but the voice, Lata Mangeshkar, beautiful voice. However she sings, it comes out very beautifully. And expression, Ashaji, like Susilamma,
I think,
Janaki Amma.
right. I was just going to say that the comparison was like the two greats which were pillars of Hindi industry and the South industry.
Telugu, yes.
Were Janaki Amma, and how did you remember? I know that song that you sang with Janaki Gar.
I sang lot of duets with her. I sang lot of. It was jolly, you know. She used to laugh a lot. Or Galata recording theatre la used to.
She was a naughty person
Very naughty, very naughty. You remember? I used to do one rat and push like this with hand.
I know that hanky.
I learned from her.
Everybody who are watching this video, I just want to let you know that I will not be able to sing today because I want to make sure that we get songs from Selata.
Hey, why
so
not?
please don't. No, I'm doing this every Sunday, Selata. So I'm singing almost every, and it's the same list that people are asking. So that's why one of my favorite of yours. I know you don't like to sing it, and it is not very appropriate to sing here because I know you need to be like standing and all of that and everything. But I would like you to sing if you can do that couple of lines from the Charanam. Lalu Darwaza.
I'll sing. Just I'll have water.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I had to stand and sing, but I'll sing that.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want Pallavi or Charana?
Your wish. I think Pallavis are better, no, for you?
Okay, better. లాలు దర్వాజలస్కరు బోనాల్ పండగ కస్తనని రాకపోతివి, లటీకా పూలు పోరికి లబ్బరు గాజులెస్తనని దాకపోతివి, ఓ మల్లా ఒట్టి జూట మాట చెప్పి వచ్చేదాకా లొల్లి పెట్టి పట్టుకుంటే పోరగాడు పలకనామ పారిపోయే లాలు. Keeravani sir used to tell that is the best part of the song.
You won a state award for that, right? That song?
Not for this. Sita Mandalu.
Oh, what a song! What a song!
Sita Mandalu. That for that.
Shubha Sankalpam.
Shubha Sankalpam. Lovely song. Lovely song.
Please.
Okay. సీతమ్మ అందాలు, రామయ్య గోత్రాలు, రఘురామయ్య వైనాలు, సీతమ్మ సూత్రాలు. సీతమ్మ అందాలు, రామయ్య గోత్రాలు, రఘురామయ్య వైనాలు, సీతమ్మ సూత్రాలు. ఏకమవ్వాలంటే ఎన్ని యాత్రాలు, ఏకమైన చోట వేద మంత్రాలు, ఏకమైన చోట వేద మంత్రాలు. సీతమ్మ అందాలు, రామయ్య గోత్రాలు, రఘురామయ్య వైనాలు, సీతమ్మ సూత్రాలు.
So while you were busy as a singer and your career was nice and peak and your flag was high, flying high as a singer, suddenly Sagar Sangamam happened. How did that happen? How and why?
How means actually we all went to America, Pedananna for Sankarabharanam. You remember? Ah,
Yes,
that's in
81.